Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to allow background data for Messenger. So if Messenger isn't working properly in the background, you may need to allow background data usage on your phone. So open your phone settings. So scroll down and look for apps, open it. Then from here, search for Messenger, open it. Then scroll down and make sure background app refresh is turned on. So make sure you turn that on. Now let's go back to the main settings and let's scroll up and go to general. Then scroll down and look for background app refresh. Open it and ensure it is enabled globally. So look for Messenger and make sure this is enabled in background app refresh. You can also go back to the main settings again and tap on battery, tap on power mode, then make sure low power mode is off if notifications are delayed. Now, if you're using Android, you can go to settings and tap on apps, then select Messenger from here, then tap mobile data and Wi Fi. The name may vary by device, then turn on background data and unrestricted data usage if available. You can also check on settings, so go to battery and look for battery optimization. Then find Messenger and set it to don't optimize or unrestricted. And that's basically it. I hope that solves your problem. Thank you for watching.